So when we visit an old town like this, we always make the emphasis on the history of people who lived here, or the gods and the goddesses that occupy this space, the pools, the prisons, and so on. But we forget that the memory itself is stored in the stones, in the marble, and this the huge quality of the stones to keep the memory beyond the inscriptions and the forms that have been curved in them. We have to connect to the memory itself of the stones to let them come again to us, saying a different story. Most of us, that are interested in history and myths, we enjoy visiting these places and reading about them. But beyond the inscriptions, as I said, or what is said about them, it's very, very interesting to let yourself be guided from within to the spaces and the places and see what they reveal to you. Look at this, beautiful. Right. Okay, so just wanting to show you something. Like, you see, there is one of the greatest wonders in this world. And you see people are starting to come this early morning to take pictures of that very specific monument and explore it. But the thing is that when you focus on that, you might miss really some of the greatest monuments that are just next to it. By focusing on the mainstream, right, we might miss some very hidden, beautiful secrets. So you see here, for example, is the fountain. It's a beautiful fountain that was erected by, I forgot the name, but it was a donation in the name of Artemis of Ephesus. And I'm gonna show you how it looks like before. And you see here how it was made, and it was by Tiberius Claudius Ariston. And this place was filled with water, and it had 9 meters height. Can you imagine 9 meters? So we still have things that we did not yet uncover from below, and there might be some other things that might be revealed in the future.